this video, we're going to talk about this beautiful opportunity that's unfolding here on gold right now. This is offering fantastic opportunity. I want to walk you through it in this video. This is Jordan with Conquer Trading and Investing. If you're new here, welcome. And if you're not, welcome back. What I want to focus on over here right now is what is going on here. We're going to dig deep into this trade. This is actually at a point that you want to pay attention to if you're interested in gold. Yesterday, during yesterday's price action, as price was breaking out of this bull flag over here, everyone was interested. I said back off, wait, show patience. I really want to unfold this trade for you so you can see what is developing over here. Let me go ahead and add in that range over here. This is a bull flag that's developing. Not only is that bull flag developing, it's developing in an enormously bullish market over here. You could check out over here. This is when the bull market really started on gold, on the break of this trend line over here. Breakout, retest, and then the resumption up. We have been in a huge uptrend over here on gold. Fundamentally and technically, we had a pause over here as we entered this consolidation pattern over here, as we entered this downsloping channel, this bull flag over here, which we have just broken out of recently as 2021 has began. What has happened in the past 24 hours is that the Senate has gone blue, right? That is a huge signal over here. What's to come is obviously going to be further stimulus. It's going to be further debt and overall debasement of the US dollar. What you're seeing today, this price action that you're seeing today is beautiful. Let's look over here on the 8-hour where I make my living. When you can see what happened is that you've seen that we've broken out of here outside of that bull flag. That's what we were waiting for. We were waiting for two things: to break outside of this bull flag to the upside, and then also to get above 1914, that gold line over here. You could see the reason why that 1914 level is there, because this was support over here for a couple of months, and then it broke and then was providing resistance, right? You could see over here that once we broke out over here, yesterday is when most traders like to chase after price and momentum. Now, why I'm a momentum trader, what I'm doing is preemptive that momentum. I'm looking for something that is trending. I'm trying to trade within that sweet spot of the trend, and then I'm looking to be preemptive of when there's a pullback of price within that trend as price snaps back towards that trend. This is conquering the markets all day long, by the way. A breakout, right? A breakout, a retest, and then a resumption off. If we get this signal, this is signaling the next leg on the bull market in gold over here. From a technical standpoint over here, we will be targeting next the all-time high up around $2,075, and from there obviously trading onto new all-time highs. Now the risk over here is limited because you know where you're wrong on this trade. If you get an entry signal, by the way, and an entry signal is what? Is a resumption off of this support holding. We have this horizontal support right over here. It's very strong at 1895. We also have this trend line support over here coming in. They're both coming in at the same area. This is what we're looking to hold. Now the entry is as price makes a higher high than the previous price bar, because that's signaling to you that this is the first moment that price is resuming back towards the trend in place. You don't want to enter as price is falling, even if it falls into support, because it could easily take out that level. And if it does, that's not a trade that you want to get yourself into. You're looking to get yourself into high probability trades, and taking an entry, if you get it, if this support area holds, the trend line and the horizontal support area holds right around 1895, where we're trading at right now, and price starts making higher highs, that's the entry. And that's the entry because then you could put a stop loss in right under that area. If price hits it, then you know you're wrong on the trade. Your risk is limited. You get out of the trade, but the profit potential and the upside just coming into the new all-time high is significant. And that's obviously, this is something that you want to let run. Now, I do want to clean up this chart a little bit. Now that you all could see this bull flag, this downward sloping channel, I could go ahead and remove that from the chart. And you see over here, this line of resistance I have at 1976. I see over here a couple of things. I see obviously that swing high over here at 1964. And then I see the market just paid attention around that level as well. If you follow my mouse to the left, the crosshairs of the mouse to the left, you could see the other areas that when that level was providing both support and resistance. You could see, for example, a touch right here. You could see another touch right here and another touch right here. And here it was support. So this is a level that we want to go ahead and add to our chart over here. The market is showing us that it's paying attention to it. And we want to use that also as a useful guide here for us. All right, so again, the reason I'm bringing this to your attention over here is because yesterday as gold was trading up, that's when a lot of people wanted to trade it. That's when I said, no, now's the time to be watching it, because we had the big technical breakout of this downward sloping channel of that bull flag. And now you want to be looking for your entry, but it's time to show patience. The trade unfolded really quick. We're coming into that retest right now. Now's the time that you want to be alert, looking for that entry. If this area holds, I think it's a high probability setup. One that is, let's say, a big macro trade that you want to be involved in. And you know what? Just make sure that you respect your stop. You can never place a trade without knowing where your stop loss is first, because you have no idea how to position your trade otherwise. All right, everyone, this is something that's really important that's unfolding on the markets right now. Wanted to get in front of you. If you have any insight that you'd like to share in the comments below, let's pick up the conversation there.